Good morning. We are currently staying in the Big Sioux Recreation Area, which is just outside of Sioux Falls, South Dakota. This is a very nice campground. It runs alongside the river. It has about 46 spaces, and as usual as any type of state park, recreation area, Corps of Engineers park, you have a lot of space in between campers. But also as usual, it's only dry camping. We do have 50 amp service, but no water and no sewer. There is water when you come into the park at the dump station and water at each one of the restrooms. So we just filled up on our way in and we're fine for a week or so. The trip from Rapid City, South Dakota to Sioux Falls was about 5.5 hours total. But we broke that up by stopping in at the Badlands National Park. Johnetta got her sticker for her passport, her stamp for her passport, and we got to see some nice sights along the way. Sioux Falls is another one of those cities that has rapids running right through the middle of town. So we went down to see the rapids and also to bike along the Greenway, the Big Sioux Greenway that encircles the city. It's about a 25-mile path and it goes completely around the city, mostly through parkland areas. So it's very nice. We only did about 10 miles of it, but it's still a very nice bike path.